guys. Oh, hold on. That's much better. Hey guys, welcome back to Pokemon Panda. And today I'm here at Maddie's house. It's just someone in my family. And today we are going to be watching this beautiful dog named Maximus run everywhere. And he might step on his own poo. And Naya's scared of the dog because she got bitten once. And I was going to make a video about this because that's just plain cruel. So, go, Max. Max, I just saw you run. Do you guys see this? Do you guys see that, level down place? That was marked from him running. Not today, every year. Go. Max, come on. I know you're like a miniature cute horse. Come on. Come on. Maximus. You gotta call his name. Max, go. Oh, come on. Max. Naya, start running. When he looks at you. Oh! Max! Max, I just started barking. Oh, he got serious for a second. I heard that too. Now go run. Max, go. Go. Max, go.
He doesn't listen.
Guys, go. Look at that thing. What if I run? What about if I run?
Hey, bulldog.
He's not running. Max, run please. Max, Maximus, run. Wait, where did he go? Oh, there he is. Maximus. I don't know your last name. Oh! Go ahead. Hey, Maximus. Come on. Come on. Hey. Oh. He's not pooing. He just pooed 2 minutes ago. Okay, you guys. You came to see a magical dog run, and you're gonna see a magical dog run. And 3, 2, 1. Whoop! There we go. Oh, no. Oh, now you came to see him pee. Perfect. 2 dogs on this channel peed. You freaking kidding me? The dogs had to pee or poo. Of course. You did that 2 times today. Come on. Now you're going to see a magical dog run. In 3, 2, 1. Dun, 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 dun. I thought if I added screaming, it would make him run more. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, you were just running a second ago. Hey, look at it. Oh, come for a second. Come on. What if I play? Oh, okay. Oh, here it comes. Oh yeah, the majestic dog. This is becoming a weird video. Now we're gonna watch more dogs run. In 3, 2, 1, yeah! Come on, run! Ah! Last time I tried to pet you. Okay. Chill out. I'm not gonna touch your tail, because if I do, you gonna get mad, right? Okay, that's it. Hit the like button in 5 seconds so he can run. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. Oh, come on. Just run for me. He said, no, I ain't running anymore. Oh. Okay, that's all you're getting. No more running. Watch, as soon as I turn the camera off, he's going to start running like freaking crazy. See you guys in the next video. Bye! Beep, beep.